हेलो फ्रेंड्स। हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप? अच्छा, बी रेडी फॉर अपस्केलिंग योर करियर with Adda 24/7. Upscaling means what? What is upskill? See, the topic is Team Adda 24/7 ready to upscale your banking career. Now, what is upscaling? Upscaling means moving fast. See here, what does it mean? I'll directly hit the topic. Even if you don't give your exam, JIB, CIB, any promotion exam, then also what will happen? In the long run you will get one promotion or two promotions as a long term slow process. You will get it, right? But also if you use the fast process and the knowledge process or smart work, we call it, give your JIB and CIB exams, then you will be moving fast in your career. So that's known as upscaling, moving fast. Now the question is, how does Adda 24/7 help you? I'll come to that. Okay, so follow the video till the end, share it with your friends, share it on all your social media platforms. Okay, and tell your friends also to join Adda 24/7. Okay, let's start with the topic. Firstly, upscaling means what, and what is the use of the JIB and CIB exams? Now, those who have already given JIB and are planning to appear for CIB, they'll know this. But those who have not given JIB at all, those who are fresh bankers, then for them, I'll give some background. All bankers may have heard about this JIB and CIB. All of you might have heard something about the JIB, Junior Associate of Indian Institute of Banking. And this JIB, first level is always JIB. Okay? So first JIB, then you have to go for CIB. So first step is first. Do always first thing first. So JIB and CIB. Then the Indian Institute of Banking and Finance conducts these flagship courses, Junior Associate and Certified Associates. Okay, for for the bankers, for the banking and the financial sector professionals. Now mainly this is given by bankers. Okay, up till now NBFCs and others are not allowed, so you are specially privileged. This exam is specifically for bankers as of now. Okay, so give this exam immediately and boost your career. Why should you give these exams? What will happen if you don't give this exam? What will happen? Let me see, let me show you. Why should I qualify this JIB and CIB exam? Qualifying both the JIB and CIB exams will help an employee grow professionally in terms of grasping banking procedures and career progression. You will be growing faster. Means it will not only help you in this, but it will also make the bankers confident, mature, and will provide rich experience. Isn't it? See here, if you have qualified, let's say when you have done your MBA or engineering or any graduation, after that the looking at the things is different from before doing that graduation, right? Same thing happens with CIB and JIB. Once you are through in these two exams, the way of looking at the banking or the banking products or the customers changes. You get an upper hand. Your top officials or your top officers will always look at you with respect. Of course, monetary benefits are there. I'll tell you that also. The employee must appear for JIB and CIB exam, and the reason through attempt JIB and CIB is discussed in this article, means this given over here. Is it compulsory in the bank job to give this JIB and CIB? No, it's not compulsory, but it is advisable for future promotions and increments. Now you see all your ads within your banks also for promotions, they definitely give you JIB, CIB is a preference. Now they are giving this not compulsory, in JIB, CIB not compulsory, but after 5 years, 10 years, because you have almost, many of you might be having almost 25 years career left. After next 5 years, do you see the same thing happening? I don't think so. After 5-10 years, they'll make it compulsory for every banker to clear the JIB and CIB exams. Because banks want knowledge bankers. We want to upscale our knowledge curve. Banks want to upscale. As you have this career progression tension, banks also have the tension of knowledge, right? So that's why, although it's not compulsory now, within few years it will be compulsory. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, test series, everything you will be getting. Download it right now for all your banking careers. All. What are the benefits? JIB and CIB are promotion driven exams, and in banking and finance, you are upscaling your career, means promotion, getting fast promotions. So, promotion driven exams, and in banking and finance is similar to matriculation, and CIB is similar analogous to graduation. This is similar to matriculation. Even I would say HSC, not even 10th, I would say 12th. And CIB is similar to your graduation. Okay, mean that is a level. CIB is a really difficult exam, huh? Really difficult, but it gives you immense benefits. Look at the benefits. The monetary benefits. First, let's talk about money, because here everyone is for money, isn't it? The monetary benefit as well as non-monetary benefit after qualifying JIB and CIB exams are as discussed below. So what are the benefits? Firstly, let's discuss money. The monetary advantages are as follows. Again, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. There are 2 channels now. Everyone kindly note there are 2 channels. Okay. Have you gone through the 2 channels? Bilingual and English. Both the channels are there. Officers Adda 24/7 bilingual means Hindi, as well as other Officers Adda 24/7 English. Subscribe to both the channels. Okay. So let's discuss the monetary benefit. As a clerk in the bank, if you are a clerical level, at a clerical level, if you qualify JIB, you will get 1 increment in the salary. If you qualify CIB, you will get 2 increments in the salary. Okay, means if you are at a clerical level and then you clear these exams, if you pass JIB exam, you will get 1 increment. If you pass CIB exam, you will receive 2 increments as per your current pay scale. So mainly this increment is added on your basics, plus you are having various scales. You can check your scales. So whatever is your current pay scale, you will be getting this increments. 1 increment for J, 2 increments for C. So total 3 increments you will be getting. Now 3 increments, if I say, if you calculate the time value of money, means imagine you roughly everyone amongst us is in the age group of up to 35 generally. So imagine you are still in the banking for almost how many? 23 years next, up to the age of 58. So 23 years, whatever increment you get, 3 increments you get. Imagine you do a SIP in mutual fund for 23 years. Okay, this increment goes from around, I'll tell you, average increment is 1000 per increment on an average. So roughly you will be getting the 3000 rupees increment. 3000 minimum I'm talking. If you do an average of everything, it will go to around 4000. And that also at the start. As your salary goes on increasing, your increments also go on increasing. So I'm taking average increment of 4 to 5000. Let's say 5000 with the total time span. Now if you do a SIP of 5000 for 23 years up to the age of 58, imagine what will be the amount. It will run in crores because you are giving 23 years. So that's why do it as fast as possible. Invest this money so that you can retire rich. Okay. As an officer, if you are an officer in the bank, then you will be getting 1 increment. 1 for J, 1 for C. But the increment amount is higher for officers. Okay, even though it is 1, but amount is huge, isn't it? So that's why increments, don't consider one amount, 1 increment officer I am having single, but look at the amount. Amount is also huge. Okay. Next, banking knowledge. Other than here, everything is not money in life. After a certain stage, you'll come to know that money is important. Increments are important. You obviously require the money, but there is something called a status, dignity. So banking knowledge, you learn everything there is to know about banking in India as well as other technical elements of the industry. Everything you'll get it about banking. It goes to the level from the basics of your account opening to your saving cash deposit to the level of corporate banking, trade finance, treasury, everything you learn in this. Merchant banking, some part. This will also assist you in more successfully executing your tasks and using what you have learned in your daily banking operations, isn't it? So it will help you in move. See here, it will give you a grip of your life. That is more important. Once you are a knowledge banker, your senior officials will look at you with respect. Okay, every manager will require you as a banker in his or her branch, or who knows, you yourself will be the general managers after some years. Because after CIB, every bank needs knowledge bankers, isn't it? Promotion. These exams give a lot of weight in promotional interviews. So if you pass JIB and CIB, you'll have a better chance of being promoted. Okay? You get an advantage over the other applicants. Your CV will be immediately kept separate. Oh, we require this guy. काम का ये बंदा. JIB, CIB, both very useful. Okay, so this will add a lot of weightage to your CV. Professional roles here. For how many years do you think you wish to be in the retail banking? Daily cribbing with the customer, sir, cash kitna laya, cash nahi laya, this check is not gone, that check is not gone, RTGS not gone, NEFT not gone, right? Insurance, daily insurance, कितना insurance बेचा आज, लॉकर बेचा कि नहीं, what is your CASA target, कितने साल, how many years will you do the same thing? Front end jobs, right? Somewhere you have to upscale your career. Somewhere you have to go in the trade finance, corporate banking, treasury, rural, these all specialized fields. So after qualifying JIB and CIB, bankers can get posting in the professional specific fields like rural, retail banking also. This is what you are doing right now is just a front end desk. Retail banking is huge. Itself is a big banking sector. Treasury, forex, trade finance, everywhere you can go. Okay. How does Adda 24/7 help you in this? See, the topic is upskill your career, but with Adda 24/7. So how will Adda 24/7 help you? See here, we have separate classes for JIB and CIB, various batches. I'll show you all the batches. What do we provide in those batches? And along with that, what do we provide? Batches means what? Just taking the classes. That's not the only thing which we do. We provide you with other things as well. Mock tests, topic wise test as per the latest pattern with detailed solution. Doubt solving on the app, Telegram groups, seminars, topper talks. Means you'll get a guidance from the seniors also who have cleared your JIB and CIB. In-person counseling, physical support help desk at offline centers. Planner, previous year papers, preparation tips on email regularly. So all these things other than the live classes. Live classes are already there. You get ebooks over here, ebooks for studies. Okay, so definitely join the Adda 24/7 classes and start it immediately. See, your exams are not near. If you not far. If you look at the exams, your JIB is in October and your CIB is in November. Okay, so hardly 2 months for JIB. This is for July, August, September, October you have an exam. And for CIB, 3 months. 3 months, here many of you might be feeling, some of you, that 2 months portion is not that simple. And here, there are no gains without pains in life. If you want to upscale your career, if you want to move fast, if you want to keep your family happy, see here, ultimately where does it boil down to? Everything. It boils down to increments. It boils down to money. It boils down to family. Your child's laughter. Your child's smile. Right? That extra toy which you want to bring of, let's say, expensive toy, 2000 rupees. 3000 rupees toy which we can't afford. So that extra toy, you can bring it using your JIB and CIB. That gold chain which you want to bring to your wife, to your mother, to your father, that gold chain, you can get it from this increments. So don't think of it from your career perspective only. See, it's after all the family matters, right? So that's why join Adda 24/7 classes right now for JIB and CIB. How to join them? Let me show you. Go to Adda 24/7. Here we have both the classes. We have the classes for your JIB also, for CIB also. Okay. Go to Adda 24/7. Click on JIB and CIB. See this. Now I'll show you both the classes. First I'll show you JIB. JIB October batch. See this, AIM batch. In the AIM batch, if you see, we give you all the subjects. Ebooks are there, test series are there, online live classes are there, expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded videos, limited size batches, everything you are getting. And presently I am having huge discounts. Look at the discount code. Y432. See here, this code will give you maximum discount. Y432. Click on apply. You are getting 80% off over here. 80 plus 1% on the app. If you purchase it through the app, you will get extra 1%. 81%. Isn't it beautiful? So join this JIB batch immediately. Even you can join the CIB. Those who have completed their JIB, you can join the CIB batch. Similar way, CIB also. Total there are 5 subjects. We cover all those 5. Sankalp batch. Okay, click on this Sankalp. Same thing, ebooks, test series, online live classes, expert faculties, interactive classes. Code also Y432. This code 81% off. Okay, Y432 81. Always purchase through the app. 80 plus 1. In fact, I would suggest you join the Mahapack. Mahapack, you get multiple batches. There are combined Mahapacks for JIB and CIB as well. See this JIB CIB Mahapack. I would suggest you join this Mahapack. JIB CIB Mahapack, and right now you're getting double validity. Purchase it for 24 months. Means 12 months you purchase it, you get 12 months free. So double validity offer is going on. Within 24 months you will definitely you clear the JIB and CIB both. Isn't it? But never forget the code Y432. This code will give you the maximum discounts. Okay. So don't wait for somebody to help you. Upscale your career using Adda 24/7. Join the batches.